Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about Readdy AI. So guys, this is you can build your website by taking with AI, drag and drop needed, publish instantly and export as a code or Figma. Just click get started from here. So guys, if I get started with my email address and just await and click continue, as you can see here, you have a lot of templates here you can use through this web platform. You can design through conversions, you can ready to use codes, idea reality in 1 minute. In 1 minute, you have a lot of templates, and this is you can write, for example, test name project and choose the language of codes, and from here write your prompts to get your design. And you can go to ChatGPT, guys, and you can choose any, for example, need prompt to build websites, guys. Just a wait, for example, I will to use ChatGPT to create some prompts, as you can, for example, this one. Just a wait, guys, this is prompts, and for example, this prompts, guys, as you can see here, and click adjust desktop and you will generate your codes. So guys, this is all headers and sections, the content. It's amazing tools, guys, you can use for your project. And if you can just data collection from here, you can create a new page and you will have desktop and mobile option. If I go back, guys, to dashboard of this website, also you can use the templates from the website. For example, account, you can use templates. If I sign out to see the templates, guys, you can also use all this preview templates. As you can see here, guys, we have 3D templates and all things. And the price, guys, this is the pricing. You can read all the prices. You can start for free, and pro it's $40 per month cost. Thanks guys for watching this video.